And as you can see, what we have on the screen is slightly different from what we had on our last video, but that's me just trying to make things while I'm not recording. I don't know why. But okay, just to go through this, just to show you what I did. But don't worry, since it's just the UI, you can just copy this. So I have this effect here with this shadow, and you have this for both the login and the sign up. So to have this cool effect, what you have to do, or what I did, is this container out here is not needed, but anyways, I just wrapped our form inside of a container, and I gave a decoration for this container. I just provided the color white, and then I defined the radius of the container as 15, and then I defined the box shadow color to gray 350, so it's kind of a light gray, and the blur radius. So that's all you have to do to have that good effect. You just have to copy this piece of code. And lastly, for our Google, I just inserted the Google icon button in a row. So that's all, but I will provide you the code. You can see, George, this is just a row or sign up with, then I have this option. Okay, I'm not really sure what are we going to do exactly on this video, but since I'm updating the UI and I don't really like how our main screen looks, or homepage. Oops, we have an issue here. 1 second. Okay. I'm having an issue here, but this is because I deleted the database, and I believe that what I have to do to fix this is to open our Google services.json. But this is the old one. I need to update this because I deleted the database. So okay, I will stop the video and then I'll do all of that Firebase configuration for Android, and we'll continue from that. No, actually I think I don't have to do that because this is on iOS, so I only have to go to the runner here and open our Google. Okay, we're going to copy this. Okay, and what else do we need? Let's go to our info list, and here we're going to paste this. Okay, hopefully this is going to fix our error. Lost connection with the device. Okay, that's not a big problem, and I'll try to do a Flutter run, and this may take a while, but hopefully once everything is done. So for today, guys, we are going to edit our home page a bit because I don't really like how it looks now, and I feel like changing it because from the next videos we are going to be getting the products that the admin will submit to the database. We're going to get them or get those from the home page of the user. So I just want to make sure that the home page looks good now, and yeah, that's it. I think I better stop the video and then I'll come back to it once it's loaded. Hello beautiful people. Well, I'm running into issues because I changed the reverse client ID on the info list, and somehow it's still checking for the old one. I don't know what's happening, but we'll have a look into that, and I don't want to waste a lot of time trying to fix that particular problem. So what I can do for now is basically trying to create a normal sign up. I'll create a user, I'll call him Santos. As a matter of fact, I'll call him test. For the email, put test at test.com. And I'll put my test password and let's see if this works. That's not good. Okay, let's see what the error says. I guess there's something has to do with the subtree. Okay, I think that's the following assertion. There are multiple heroes that share the same tag within a subtree. Okay, the problem now is with our home screen, I believe. Our home screen. And what do we have to do to fix this? How can we fix this? Is going to our products, I believe. Or for now, let me just comment here. And that's the problem of spending a lot of months without opening the project. Things break and you don't really know what's happening, but let's see. Okay, I get the issue. I know what the problem is, and we will fix that just now because we do have a lot of them. And for now, here for the categories, there's a quite deal of things that we can do here, but let's focus on the main goal. And for now, our main goal is change the way the app looks like, right? Correct. So let's try to do that one step at a time. The very first thing we are going to do is I want this to be white, and we can just do import this, and it's done. And here you can just write e-commerce app, whatever, e-commerce style, text style, change this a bit. Oops, it has to be text style. And for the color, I want to give it deep orange. And you see the advantage of just defining all of these colors in a particular file is because here we just come and do this. We just write the color deep orange, boom, it's done. And that's it at the end of the day. Okay, let me try to do a control save and see how this looks like. Let's come in here to our and we'll put a deep orange here. Okay, perfect. We are able to see that. Another thing we can do here to make sure our app is going to be looking good is icon theme. Is this what I want? icon theme data color deep orange. Boom, perfect. And the very last thing we are going to do here to change the way our app looks like is basically going back to our, let us go back to our sign up screen. And here on our sign up screen, I just want to make use of something, and that something is our text field. Exactly. So let's copy this material, the same one we are using for the password. Let's come and copy that, and I hope you guys are able to see this properly, because I'm just trying to make sure you see what's on the screen while you see the code while you see what's on the screen at the same time. Anyways, here for the title, instead of giving this text, let's erase this e-commerce and let's paste this. Boom. And here for the icon, we want to give it search. The only validation we need is to ensure that this is not empty. That's all. We can change here. Here we can write search controller. Perfect. And then we have to come at the very top and define our text editing. We need the text editing controller. That's what we need, and we are going to call this search controller equal to new text editing controller. And I'm sorry for the new, because you don't need to do this. Okay, let's come down here, and for the icon here we can remove this. We can just write here search ... and put search here as well. Let's control save this, and it looks ugly. It's okay, it looks ugly for now, but that's because first of all we have this padding in here, and I don't really think this looks super nice. Okay, let's give it padding all, and then I'm going to give this a padding of 0. Okay, that works perfectly nice for the text. Here, instead of a list view, because somehow this list view is not looking nice, let me try to copy this text, and we are going to take that out and put it here. Okay. Okay. Now maybe I can add an icon here. Okay. I'm not really enjoying the way it looks very much. Let's go back to our list view. Sorry, I'm sorry for that. Boom. Oh, let us try to remove this. It does look good in fact, but this search bar is kind of big for my taste and I don't really like it very much, and that's a problem of the list view. What we can do is just give a deep orange with this, and then we'll take this text field here out of the list view, because the list view it's making it look very ugly for me. The list style, I'm sorry, not the list view, the list style. And take this out of the padding, and I'm going to place this thing here. Perfect. And the background color of this as well. Let's give it a gray 100. It looks way more better. Okay, that's good. I think that's good. The second thing I want to do here, and as I told you, this is kind of a freestyle video, so just be patient a bit. Good, we missed you. So I'm going to have this thing here showing images and all. So what are we going to do at the very top here is apply other modifications. Let's put autoplay true. We can try to use BG color too. Colors dot transparent is what I'm trying to do, but my Android series sometimes start lagging and I don't know why. Boom, perfect. We have quite something here, and we will try to make sure our images are going to be loading from the database. So just we can leave this like that for now, but we're going to change that. The other thing I want us to rethink now is related to this, our products. So let's open up the products page, and we have all of that, and we have a grid view builder. Perfect. This is what was causing some issues, I believe. Let's try to build everything from scratch. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Now we have a problem. As a matter of fact, I don't even know why I use this here, because I think that we can in fact do this without having to use a hero. Let's rebuild our app. Okay, and now the problem here is on the fact that images products, this directory is not being found. So let's go to the pubspec file and try to make sure that this is going to be displayed. So we can just put here images slash products, images slash cats, random packages get here. Perfect. Let's try to rerun and hopefully we're going to get those images now. Sorry. Okay, I think we may need to place the images here manually, but I'm not really willing to do that now. So what I can do, because we didn't get the images anyways, so what I can do to make our lives easier is coming over here, finding any one of these images, copy it, and go back to our products. Erase couple of these. And we're just going to put that path here, and we don't have to suffer too much doing this, because anyways we're going to get those images from Firebase in a second, you know. But just to make sure the UI is correct before we even get the images from Firebase, that's what we're trying to do at the end of the day. Boom, this is what we want, we have it. M2, I guess I had an image called M2. Okay, we don't have that. Let me copy a path of a couple images. And I'll paste that here. And maybe we can repeat this like 2 times. Can just copy this and okay, perfect. Doing like that, maybe it's not going to load. Let's go back to home and back to our products page and change that. And finally, let's find another one. Okay, done. Perfect. And we have everything restructured down there. Now let's start making sure of a couple things here. For our single product, we have product name, product price. So the subtitle we can erase. I think it's not that much important. Okay, that's good. That's the first part that it's important. And this is the footer. Boom. Let's try to remove this and see how things are going to play out. Not super good. Okay, that's good. I want to put this as a white color. Okay, good. I like that. And actually, I believe that this should be the title. The product name should be the title, and we can just put trailing on this. That's good. Now we have this here. We can just increase the font, but let me give it a deep orange color. I'm going to import our file. Perfect. Let's increase the size a bit. Put something like 18. How good is that? That's the question. Or 20. Okay, I think it's good enough. I think it's good enough. And what else do we need now? Now we can go ahead. I mean, is it ready? Can we start? Do you guys think we can start bringing our objects from Firebase? Anyways, let's try to put a container here and see how it's going to look. A bit bigger, okay, but that's okay. We may need some decorations in here, but since I don't want to write that all over again, let's go back to the home page first. On our home page we are going to boom boom boom, and now as a matter of fact, no, okay, on home page let us comment this for now. No, not the image carousel, but the categories, because they're not displaying the horizontal list. This is what we want to comment for now, and we're going to have that out of the way. Sure thing. And we can put this thing inside of a row. And for this side we can just provide a divider and see how things are going to play out. Okay, not very much because this is not displaying, but no problems. Let's define our main axis alignment to center. Sure. For padding, the main axis alignment center is not that good. I didn't like it that much. And for now we can comment this as well. Okay, I guess that somehow we're starting to have something on our UI. We will focus on displaying the images first from the database, and then we're going to apply more changes. Okay, the last part we can do on this particular video before we even leave. First I can come and change this color here to a deep orange. And finally, what we're going to want to do here is we want to open our product details. Okay, but our product details file is empty. Okay, we will take care of all of this on our next video. Okay.